And good morning. Well, you know, we're ending the tropical season not until November 30th, so we're still in it, although the activity generally starts to decrease by now. You can see we've already had our peak in early September, and here we are today on the downward trend, but we still have a very powerful hurricane out there in the 25th of the season, which is the earliest 25th storm, and it is the close to the latest storm we've ever had. Zeta, by the way, would be the latest we've ever made it into the season in the Greek alphabet. So with that said, it's extremely active as it was forecast to be, and it's not done yet. We do have Hurricane Delta, which is a Category 3 storm getting ready to hit Cancun this morning, and then it'll pull into the Gulf, making it a Category 3, possibly strengthening back to a Category 4 storm by the time it makes that northern turn here in the Gulf, and that would be early Friday morning, and then making it to the Gulf Coast here, possibly making landfall Friday afternoon or Friday evening, right along the west coast of Louisiana with 115 mile-per-hour winds is the forecast right now. Another thing you may have noticed is the probability cone here has shrunk a little bit from what we saw yesterday. So confidence is getting a little higher in this path, but still something we will continue to watch. So right now, still no direct impact here, but swells are going to come up the next few days considerably from that system, especially Friday. Today, the seas are still around 3 to 6 feet. We are seeing a high rip current risk and the wind coming in up to 15 knots this afternoon, so bays will be a little on the choppy side by the time we get into later today in the coastal waters. Now, as we look at the temperatures, it's mild out there. We have another gorgeous morning, but you know, as the moisture increases the next few mornings, these temperatures will be a little warmer as you head out the door tomorrow morning and again into the weekend. But for now, it's great out there and we have a good morning ahead. There's a little bit of fog inland. We have some low clouds along the coast, all clearing out to a mostly sunny day today with a northeast breeze up to about 12 miles an hour. Those temperatures peaking in Corpus Christi close to 90 this afternoon. And if you live inland, into those lower 90s near Alice and George West 91, Sinton 90, and a nice day at Rockport, 85 degrees today for the high temperature. No rain yet, but we do see those showers getting a little bit closer to us here out over the coastal waters, and these will be pretty close to us here by tomorrow, and with that we'll have a stray shower chance by tomorrow night and continuing into Friday morning. But for now, you can see our future tracker keeping it dry early today. Clouds do start to increase later this evening and overnight, and you can see a couple of showers mainly over the water. And then as we get into tomorrow, perhaps we'll see one or two of those making it into the land areas, but it doesn't look like much as you can see here. So the bottom line is we're not looking at any meaningful rainfall. You still got to keep watering, and we are going to continue to be dry into the weekend on the backside of this storm. The circulation here, very dry and hot too as we head into the weekend. So with that, here's the forecast high graph. You can see those temperatures do come up. We're hitting close to 90 today, and average is 86 this time of year. So we're going to be above average all the way through Monday. For Columbus Day, it looks hot and it looks a little sticky out there, but our next cold front, well, it looks like it'll be here by Tuesday morning. And look at next week. It looks beautiful next week, although I still don't see any rain. Maybe a couple of showers with that front. Doesn't look like much, if any. I'm keeping it dry for now. Here's your 7-day forecast then. There is a lot of sunshine in it, but a few more clouds than we saw earlier in the week. You can see those continue to move in for Thursday and Friday. Temperatures staying in the upper 80s to near 90 until the weekend hits. Then we're talking low to mid 90s, and the humidity a little bit higher. The heat index by Saturday possibly close to 100, and the wind picks up Sunday and Monday.